Number 15. Make patience your secret weapon. In a world that praises speed and instant result, patience is an underrated superpower. But here is the truth. Meaningful change doesn't happen overnight. You know it. Rebuilding yourself, replacing weak habits with strong ones, is a process. And that process takes time. And if you try to rush it, you will burn out. And if you expect perfection, you will be disappointed. This is so true. But if you embrace patience, you give your transformation room to grow. Take Colonel Harlan Sanders. Most people know him as the face of Kentucky Fried Chicken, right? But few know how long it took him to get there. He didn't find success in his 20s, 30s, or even 40s. He was in his 60s when he started franchising his chicken recipe, driving from town to town, sleeping in his car, and facing hundreds of rejections. But he kept going. He stayed patient with the process, and eventually his persistence paid off, building a global empire from what began as a small roadside business. Colonel Sanders wasn't lucky. He was patient. He understood that if you keep showing up, keep refining, and keep believing, results will come. Not always when you want, but always when you are ready. Patience isn't passive, it's active. It's waking up, doing the work, and trusting that the seed you plant today will grow. Even if you don't see the fruit yet, just like nature doesn't rush the seasons, personal growth takes its own time, and that is okay. And if you are changing your habit, expect setbacks, expect slow days, expect moments when you wonder if anything is working. That's normal. But don't stop. Most people fail not because they lack abilities, but because they quit too soon. Be like Sanders. Let time work for you, not against you. If you are eating better, don't judge your success by one meal. If you are building a business, don't measure progress by a single week. Zoom out. Look at the bigger picture. Are you showing up consistently? Are you getting a little better over time? That is what counts. And here is the truth. Impatience is what keeps weak habits alive. It convinces you that if results aren't immediate, effort isn't worth it. But patience kills that lie. Patience keeps you grounded, keep you steady. It helps you stay committed long enough to see real change. So make patience your secret weapon. Stay the course when others give up. Just the process when it feels slow, because the person you are becoming isn't built in a day, but they are built daily. And the longer you stay faithful to the right habit, the strong and more unshakable you become. Rebuilding yourself is not about flipping a switch. It's about turning a page. It's about choosing every single day to become someone better than you were yesterday. Weak habits may have quietly taken root in your life, but you have the power to uproot them one decision at a time. And that power doesn't come from talent, luck, or perfect conditions. It comes from discipline, consistency, and the willingness to keep showing up. Now, you have seen the steps you walk through, the habit that hold people back and the habits that carry them forward. And you have seen how awareness sparks change, how identity shapes action, how system create results, and how patience reserves momentum. This isn't theory, it's a path. One that anyone from any background at any stage of life can walk. The truth is, you already have everything you need. You have the ability to pause and choose better. You have the strength to say no to what drains you and yes to what drives you ahead. You have the capacity to build discipline. Even if it starts small, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be committed, because your habits will shape your future far more than your hopes ever will. Maybe you have tried before and failed. Maybe you have told yourself, I never change. But failure isn't final. Every setback is a lesson. Every relapse is a reminder. You are not starting from scratch. You are starting from experience. And that makes you stronger than you think. So, what do you do now? Start small. Choose one weak habit to eliminate. Choose one strong habit to replace it. Set your environment to support you. Track your progress. Celebrate your wins. And most of all, keep going. The real difference between the person who transforms their life and the one who stays stuck in an ability is follow through. Your future is waiting for you to take that first step, not tomorrow, not next Monday, but today, right now, because the person you want to become is already inside you. They are just buried under layers of distraction, delay, and doubt. But every strong habit you build is a shovel. Every discipline, every action uncovers a little more of your potential. And one day you will look in the mirror and realize you have rebuilt yourself, not by chance, not by accident, but by killing your weak habits one by one. And that's where the real transformation begins. Thank you.